Welcome to the cutting-edge insole customization process at Lutracad. Step 1. Adding a new client to your database. Our intuitive system ensures all your information is securely stored, making future orders a breeze. Step 2. Precisely scanning your client's feet. Using advanced 3D scanning technology, we capture every contour of your client's feet, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique needs. Step 3. Uploading the scanned file to the cloud. Your data is safely stored, allowing seamless access, making it convenient for you to access your measurements anytime, anywhere. Step 4. Customizing with Lutracad. We adjust, add, or remove elements in the software for medical, comfort, or sports purposes, tailoring insoles to meet your specific needs. From start to finish, our Lutracad is designed to provide you with unmatched comfort, support, and style. Join our community of satisfied customers today.